guys, Ilana here. So the first topic that I want to discuss is an intellectual property topic. So a question that I've received is about logos. How do I protect my logo? Can I protect my logo with trademark registration, or can I protect my logo with copyright registration? And the reason why I know that this question comes up a lot is because there's a huge difference between the cost of registering a trademark and registering a copyright. It's rather inexpensive to register a copyright versus a trademark. So we have to really understand, in order to answer this question, we have to understand the difference between trademark and copyright. Okay, trademark law protects logos, it protects brand names, it protects slogans. And those brand names, slogans, and logos have to be used in connection with a product that's being sold or a service that's being sold. Okay, so trademark deals with essentially business transactions, purchases, things of that nature. Now, copyright law protects literary, written, and artistic works. Okay, so the question that you want to ask yourself when you're coming up with a logo and you're trying to think whether you should register, the copyright or apply for registration of a trademark is, what are your goals here? Your goal should be, if you are selling a particular product, it should be to keep someone else from using a logo that's similar to yours to sell their own product. Because you've worked hard in coming up with that logo. You don't want someone else coming in and using a logo that's doesn't have to be identical, but that is confusingly similar to yours, so that other people, consumers, would be confused as to whether it came from you or whether it came from somebody else. That should be the goal in protecting your logo. So the route that you really want to go is the trademark route. You want to apply for registration so that you get that protection as it relates to the goods and services that you're providing. Now, that isn't to say that you can't, apply for copyright registration for your logo. Can logos be registered under copyright law? Yes, they can. However, it doesn't provide that same kind of protection. It doesn't protect people from, potentially confusing your logo with another. All copyright protection protects, as far as that logo goes, if somebody literally copies that logo. Okay, if somebody literally copies it, then you have that, they've committed copyright infringement and you have that protection. So the thing about logos, though, is when you're talking about copyright protection, there has to be, the logo itself has to be, have a sufficient amount of creativity. So if your logo consists of 2 letters and a circle around it, or your brand name in cursive letters, it is not going to be protectable under copyright law. Copyright law does not protect kind of standard letters and formatting and frames and things of that nature. So there has to be sufficient amount of creativity in the logo. So typically, my advice to clients when they're talking about protecting a logo, we go the trademark route, because it's not just going to protect the design itself of the logo, it's going to protect it. It's going to protect it as it relates to consumers, as it relates to you, providing services and products in connection with that logo. So simply put, which route should you go? When you're talking about protecting a logo, go the trademark route. Save the money, spend the money to try to register that trademark. All right, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to comment on the video. If you have any other kind of topic suggestions that you want me to cover, go ahead and comment, subscribe. Thank you all for listening, tuning in. Till next time.